Welcome, dear participants, in our course Gender Sensitization in Veterinary Extension. And in 7 week, first lecture, that is Policy and Programs for Women Empowerment. And the program is UJJAWALA and Mahila Shakti Kendra or Mahila Shakti Mission. Let's start. As we know, the United Nations have already declared 2026 as the International Year for Women Farmer. We can see that what is the meaning of empowerment. Empowerment means when we are trying to provide social, economical, cultural, and political rights to each and every member of our society, particularly for the women. That is the women empowerment. Okay, in that we are mainly focused on their safety, security, and their economical independence. First, we will discuss about what is the policy. Okay, what is the exact meaning of the policy? According to Carl Friedrich, policy is a proposed course of action that given by a person, a group, or a government to reach and realize a common goal or objective for the upliftment of any section of the society. Okay. Next is the what is the program? Program is a written statement that describes proposed development, activity and problem, they address the action and the resources required to achieve a particular goal within the stipulated time. We can clearly understood by this slide or these pictures, okay, how we can achieve, how we can empower to the women by providing different mechanism, different assets, different tools, one by one or step by step. Okay, we can see that the first step is reach out, second is the benefit, third is the empowerment, and last is the transform. This is the step by step activity that we are trying to take and cover with each and every step. First one is the include in women program activity, number of proportion of women and participating in project activity. Next one is the benefit, positive and negative outcomes, indicators such as the productivity, income and their assets, and nutrition and time. Next one is the increase women well-being, food security and their income and health. After that, we can empower to them with different schemes, policies and program, strengthening ability of women to make strategic life choices and to put those choices into action. Then next one is the women decision making power, reduction of the outcomes associated with the disempowerment. When we are trying to shift the right, legal right from one section of society to the another one. Then last one is the transformation. Transformation is change the power, relation and the structure. Then we can convert, we can obtain, we can reach and we can obtain changes in individual and collective norms, changing the structural barriers and institutions. So we can clearly understand by this slide there are four different stages: reach, benefit, empower and then transfer. We can achieve one by one. Then next program is the UJJAWALA program. The Pradhan Mantri UJJAWALA program was launched in May 2016 for providing the subsidized system for the women. Next one is it mainly cover the women and poor household to promote replacement of the traditional fuel and to the modern fuel. The key benefits of Ujjwala scheme are by adopting, by implementing this program, we can achieve health improvement of the particular women section. Second one is the reduce drudgery. Next one is the environmental conservation and better nutrition. By adopting Ujjwala scheme, we can achieve these four major objectives. The leading in the charge of Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala scheme implemented are in different states. We can see that the Uttar Pradesh is the first, then is the West Bengal, then Bihar, then Madhya Pradesh, then Rajasthan. This is the state-wise data of adopting the LPG subsidized LPG connections in different states across the country. Okay, we can see that in UP near about 1.85 crore, then Bihar, then West Bengal. We can see that different states have adopting it in a different time for their betterment. The globally, when we are looking at our neighboring country like Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, okay, as compared to those countries, India is providing more subsidy to their citizens for their betterment. As a result of various steps taken by the government to improve access and affordable of domestic LPG for Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana consumer per capita consumption of this subsidized gas system is 14.2 kg per person per year, increase due to the various measures of annual per capita. Now, when we are looking in previous year, the year-wise year, the percentage and the number of consumers has increased. When we are looking that in 2019 and 20, 3.01 cylinders, then in 2023, 3.95, and in 24 and 25, that is 4.43. Next scheme is the Mahila Shakti Kendra. This program is mainly focused to empower safety and security of the women at national level, state level, district level and block level by providing the different tools and mechanisms that are supported by the state government and central government. The ministry has formulated Mission Shakti is an integrated women empowerment program as an umbrella scheme for the safety and security and empowerment of the women for implementation during the 15th financial year. The key program like Mahila Shakti Kendra consist different schemes, that is one stop center, second one is the women helpline has assisted near about 2 lakh call received from the different sectors. Next one is the Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao scheme. Next one is the Shakti Nivas, provided the secure accommodation for the working women at their working place. Next one is the Pala Ensure daycare support system to the working women at their working place. Next one is the Nari Adalat, offers grievances redressal at the Gram Panchayat level. Next one is the Sankalp, serve as a resource hub for women welfare schemes. The major objective of this Mahila Shakti Kendra या Mahila Shakti Mission program are monitored by different level, national level, state level, district level and block level. The national level is domain-based knowledge support system. We can say that at the national level, the major program are formulated and implemented. Next stage is the state level where we are trying to create the resources for the better implementation of that formulated program. Structure will provide technical support to their respective governments on issues related to women. Third one is the at district level or block level, centers will provide support to enhance, to promote and to give the women empowerment scheme in near about 640 district to be covered in a different phases in a different manner. What are the different funding pattern, funding ratio for implementation of this particular program? Okay, we can see that in this slide the cost sharing pattern. When we are talking about the share of central government and state government, that is near about 60 to 40 ratio. It means 60% contributed by the central government and 40% by the state government. In northern part of our country, that is near about 90 to 10 ratio. It means 90% covered are donated by the central government and 10% supported by the state government in northeastern part of our country. When we are talking about the union territories, this program is 100% funded by the central government. This is the program, complete a umbrella program. We can see that this is the one Mahila Shakti Kendra that consists two major scheme, that is the Sambhal scheme. Second one is the Samarth scheme. Samarth means when we are trying to provide to enhance their capacity to cope up with unwanted situation या unconditions. That is a one-stop scheme. Second one is the women helpline. Third one is the Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao scheme and Nari Adalat. These are four programs comes under the Sambhal schemes, and Samarth scheme covered by Shakti Sadan, Shakti Niwas, Palna scheme and Pradhan Mantri Mrityu Vadan Yojana. These are the some achievements of the above programs from their starting. We can see that the one-stop center that was started in the year of 2019, the main focus of this program are to provide all the public and private sectors working women to provide the safety and security by providing the assistant in terms of receiving their call at the time of problem. Next one is the women helpline. It was started in the year of 1st April 2015. The main aim is to providing 24 into 7 into 665 emergency services to their working place or non-working place. We can see that near about 20 lakh call received from the starting point when it was started. Next one is the Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao scheme. It was started in 22nd January 2015, that mainly focus to provide all type of assistance in terms of social, economical and cultural to empower them. Next one is the Nari Adalat scheme. It was started in 2023 that mainly focused to provide the legal rights and support to the working women. Next one is the Shakti Sadan Kendra that was started in the year of 2023. It is an integrated relief and rehabilitation home for women in distressful situation, including the trafficked women. Achievement: near about 404 women Shakti Kendra या Mahila Shakti Sadan has already implemented and formulated at different part of our country, and near about 2.9 lakh women has assisted or helped by this scheme. Next one is the Palna scheme. It provide a day care facilities to the working women at their working place by providing different assistance. Near about 1249 functioning Palna has already implemented at different part of our country, and near about 1,64,000 women has benefited from these particular schemes. The Mahila Shakti Kendra and Visualize scheme are two vital and major important schemes that were taken by the government of India to provide the different types of support system to the women at their working place, at their different places where they are working, for their empowerment, for their protection. While Mahila Shakti Kendra focusing on strengthening, providing the to enhance their capacity, to enhance their protection and community participation, enhancing women's skills and promoting social economical empowerment, and Ujjwala scheme work to prevent trafficking and providing rescue, rehabilitation and reintegration support to the victim. These are the references, okay, from where we have taken these information. Thank you.